Alright guys, it's March 14th, and this is the blizzard of 2017. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Just to get an idea, let me see, I can't even see my picnic table. Look at the roof. Oh my gosh, we've got 2 feet of snow, and it's still snowing, and it's blizzard conditions. Wind's blowing like crazy. You can hear the wind chimes. I did a video yesterday, the calm before the storm, and oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that there's that much snow. Unbelievable. The horse, Rosie, can go in the barn, but she chooses to stand out there. Unbelievable. Horses are crazy, especially that one. Oh, Bob shoveled here. I don't know if you could even see it. He shoveled here. The dogs couldn't even get out to go to the toilet. I parked my car under this carport, our carport up here, and hoping to make it easier to clean off. I guess it'll be a little better than it was if it was just sitting out in the open with 2 feet of snow. Looks like it's got about 6 inches of snow on it already. The only thing good about the wind is I hope it blows a lot of the snow off the roof. I can't really walk for anywhere because I can't see the walkway even. And it's not been cleared. Bob did some and it's all blown back. Well, not all of it, but I was going to show you the depth of it from the picnic table, but the picnic table's covered over and up and above beyond. I don't like winter. Well, I am heading in. I'm cold. I'm already covered with snow. Back of my neck is covered with snow too. And it's still coming down really steadily. Alright guys, talk to you again. Be back soon. God bless.